Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy coin using Binance. First, you'll need to set up your Binance account. This involves creating a new account and completing the necessary identity verification process. It's also crucial to enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Once verified, link a payment method, such as your bank account or a debit card, to facilitate easy deposits later on. This foundational step ensures a smooth and secure experience. Now that your account is ready, it's time to fund it. You can deposit money directly from your linked bank account or use a debit card for quick transfers. Binance offers several deposit options, including various fiat currencies and even other cryptocurrencies if you already hold some. Always check for any minimum deposit requirements and be aware of any associated fees before confirming your transaction. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy. Head over to the Buy Crypto section on the Binance platform. Here, you can choose from a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Simply select the coin you wish to purchase, then enter the amount of fiat currency you want to spend, or specify the exact quantity of crypto you want to acquire. The system will show you the estimated conversion. Before finalizing, carefully review all your order details, including the amount and the price, to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, your newly purchased cryptocurrency will instantly appear in your Binance Spot wallet. From there, you have several options. You can hold it, explore trading it for other assets, participate in staking programs, or even withdraw it to an external wallet if you choose. Congratulations on your purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.